Hello, my name is Ria Rueda, and I'm the manager of the Fisher Paykel Experience Center. I am so excited to show you the latest in our professional style collection. Here is the 48-inch all-induction pro range. Here we combine induction cooking with the power of commercial ovens. So here we've got 6 burners with 2 smart zones. Our ovens here have different functionality. We've got 15 functions for our large oven, 11 for our smaller. What's great about our ovens is that we've got telescopic easy glide racks here where the probe and trays all come with it. But what's really great is that we can accommodate a full catering tray with no problem. Our ovens have a self-clean mode and keep the racks while in self-clean mode. If you'd like to experience Fisher Paykel appliances, visit Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center located in Costa Mesa, Torrance, Studio City, or Calabasas.